In an increasingly globalized world, the concept of relocating to a new country for an extended period, whether for work, adventure, or a change of scenery, has become more appealing than ever. However, the bureaucratic hurdles of obtaining a visa can often discourage aspiring travelers. Fortunately, some countries welcome visitors with open arms, allowing them to stay long-term without the need for complicated visa processes. Here's a detailed look at 11 countries where you can make yourself at home for an extended period. No visa required. 1. Georgia, a gateway between Europe and Asia. Georgia has become a haven for digital nomads and travelers seeking a blend of old-world charm and modern living. With its no visa policy for citizens of over 90 countries, you can stay for up to a year. This beautiful country boasts stunning landscapes, from the snow-capped Caucasus Mountains to the Black Sea coastline, and a rich cultural heritage that makes it easy to feel at home. Additionally, Georgia offers a simple pathway to residency if you decide to stay longer. 2. Mexico, a cultural melting pot. Mexico is one of the most popular destinations for long-term visitors, especially for North Americans. The country allows visa-free stays for up to 180 days for citizens from many countries. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant streets of Mexico City, the serene beaches of Tulum, or the colonial charm of San Miguel de Allende, there's something for everyone. Affordable living costs and a welcoming local culture make it an ideal place to settle for a while. 3. Costa Rica, the land of Pura Vida. Costa Rica's laid-back lifestyle, known as Pura Vida, is a major draw for long-term visitors. Citizens of many countries can enjoy up to 90 days of visa-free travel. Plus, Costa Rica's friendly government allows for easy visa extensions. Whether you're into surfing, hiking through rainforests, or simply enjoying a slower pace of life, this Central American gem is a fantastic option. 4. Thailand, a backpacker's paradise. Thailand is not just for short-term vacations, it's a haven for those looking to stay longer. With visa-free stays of up to 30 days for many nationals, and the option to extend or apply for long-term visas, like the Special Tourist Visa or the Thailand Elite Visa, you can explore everything from bustling Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket. Thailand's affordability and vibrant expat community make it especially appealing. 5. Portugal, Europe's sunny retreat. Portugal is a dream destination for long-term travelers who enjoy a mix of historical charm and modern comforts. Citizens of the EU, Schengen area, and several other countries can stay visa-free for up to 90 days. Portugal's D7 visa also offers an easy route for long-term stays for retirees and remote workers. From the wine regions of the Douro Valley to the Algarve's golden beaches, Portugal offers an unmatched quality of life. 6. Indonesia, Bali, a spiritual oasis. Bali, part of Indonesia, is a favorite among digital nomads and adventurers. While the initial visa-free stay is limited to 30 days for many nationalities, the visa on arrival can be extended for another 30 days. Moreover, Indonesia offers a social-cultural visa that allows longer stays. Bali's serene beaches, vibrant art scene, and spiritual atmosphere make it an enchanting place to call home. 7. Panama, a tropical escape. Panama welcomes travelers with open arms, offering visa-free stays of up to 180 days for many nationalities. The country's Friendly Nations visa also provides a straightforward pathway to residency. Panama's tropical climate, modern amenities, and proximity to both the Pacific and Caribbean make it a top choice for expats seeking adventure and comfort. 8. Barbados, island life. Simplified Barbados has become a favorite among remote workers thanks to its 12-month Barbados Welcome Stamp program. While this isn't strictly a visa-free option, It's incredibly easy to apply for and allows you to live on this Caribbean paradise while working remotely. Enjoy the island's pristine beaches, friendly locals, and a lifestyle that feels like a permanent vacation. 9. Uruguay, the Switzerland of South America. Uruguay is a safe, progressive, and welcoming country in South America that offers visa-free stays of up to 90 days for many nationalities. Known for its political stability and high quality of life, Uruguay has a lot to offer, from the cosmopolitan capital of Montevideo to the picturesque coastline of Punta del Este. Tenerife, Serbia. Underrated European gem. Serbia is one of Europe's most underrated destinations, offering visa-free stays of up to 90 days for many travelers. With its affordable cost of living, vibrant nightlife, and rich history, Serbia is an excellent choice for long-term visitors. The welcoming locals and the country's central location in Europe make it an ideal base for exploring the continent. 11. Belize, nature lovers' paradise. Belize offers a laid-back Caribbean lifestyle and a visa-free stay of up to 30 days for many nationalities, with easy options for extensions. The country's English-speaking population and abundant natural beauty, from the Great Blue Hole to lush rainforests, make it a haven for expats and nature enthusiasts. Relocating to a new country is more accessible than ever, thanks to these visa-friendly destinations. Whether you're seeking adventure, a new perspective on life, or simply a break from the ordinary, these countries provide the perfect opportunities to embrace long-term travel or even a fresh start. From the tropical paradise of Belize to the cultural richness of Georgia, there's a destination to match every lifestyle and dream. Remember, living abroad isn't just about changing your location. It's about transforming your perspective, embracing new challenges, and immersing yourself in cultures that broaden your horizons. The beauty of these destinations lies in their diversity, affordability, and the welcoming arms of their people. So why wait? Pack your bags, set your sights on the horizon, and embark on the journey of a lifetime.